Hey guys, Cole here today. Just wanted to talk about, basically I'm going to be doing a small upgrade, really more of a repair job. One of my 980 Ti's, classifieds, basically broke down a couple of months ago. Went through the whole refund process, just took way longer because I was on vacation and such. So I just want to show you guys today what it looks like, what it feels like to build in a Case Labs case. It's fantastic, can't say enough good things about it, but today we're going to replace the missing 980 Ti that I lost, and then run some benchmarks and make sure everything's good. So thanks for tuning in. Nice fit, glove. Flip this on. There you can see the pump turns on for a second. You never want to let your pump run dry. We'll just keep filling her up while it's running. Hey guys. Welcome back, Cole here. Just wanted to kind of go over everything I showed in my video, and I want to talk a little bit about the M8 case mate. Basically I've had like 7 to 8 cases over the last year and a half. This is the first one I actually got to do full custom water cooling in, and even with the custom water cooling, just because this case is so flexible, I still have to say, while doing this whole project, it's still probably so much easier than even just building a regular PC in a micro ATX or mini ATX case. So basically I've had the Carbide series, I've had a Fractal case, the Node 804, and you know, I have big hands, it's hard to get in there sometimes. So basically I just wanted to talk about the Red October. It's finished, it's up and running. I'm going to be running some benchmarks here in a few minutes just to go over pretty much what it looks like and what a 28 core or 14 core 28 thread processor can do on the Xeon side.